Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on photo montage and retouching techniques in Photopeia. Today we'll explore 7 powerful tools that will transform your photo editing workflow. We'll cover Clone Tool, Spot Healing Brush, Magic Replace, Patch Tool, Healing Brush, Content Aware Move, and Red Eye Tool. I'll show you not just how to use each tool, but when and why to choose one over another with professional tips for flawless results. Now, let's get started. Before starting, I will download an image from the website pexels.com and import it into Photopeia. I will choose some retouch photos because that's what we'll be covering today. And download. And now import it. First is Clone Tool. The Clone Tool is your digital stamp. It copies pixels exactly from one area to another. And what makes it special is the level of control it gives you. So here's how it looks like on the instrument panel, or by pressing S on your keyboard, it activates the shortcut. To select sample, you hold Alt or Option on Mac and click on area with a similar texture or lighting on your target, to your target. And just put it on the areas that you want to hide or retouch. Then there is aligned mode, which maintains sample point distance as you paint. And non-aligned resamples from original paint each time. Then you can also do brush settings, like here. You can adjust the size and hardness. Hardness from 0 to 100%, so lower for soft edges and like skin and skies. Let's see. And you can see how much softer the edges are on the brush. And you can also choose between these brushes here available. And avoid obvious repeating patterns by sampling from multiple areas. The next is Spot Healing Brush. While the Clone Tool gives you control, the Spot Healing Brush is all about speed and automation. It analyzes surrounding pixels to create seamless fixes. And this is how it looks like on the instrument panel. So here's how it works. You press on an area and the tool eliminates the blemishes by itself. So it's very quick and easy. Then you can also select an area to heal by clicking on Heal Selection. And it fixes the area like this. And for clustered blemishes like acne here, work from the outside to prevent smudging. The next tool is Magic Replace. This is Photopeia's AI-powered solution for when you need more than simple cloning and actual object transformation. So to use this, you select it and then choose an area that you want to work on. And here on top you can write what you want. For example, if you want to change the eye color, new content is, for example, blue eyes, and click on Replace. And here we have it, AI generated blue eyes. Then there are also blending controls to match source lighting, which is critical for realistic photo image. And output as new layer for non-destructive editing. So you can put it into multiply or other layer modes that we have learned about in the previous lesson. There are a few limitations though. It works best with high resolution images and clear subjects, so it may struggle with complex reflections. And here we have it. The next one is patch tool. The patch tool shines when you need to repair large areas while maintaining texture integrity. Think wall repairs or clothing fixes. Here I will just use this text on his forehead. And first you select the source. Then drag it here where it's a clean area. And click on Ctrl D. Here's how we removed this text. So it can also work with, for example, stain on clothes or a dirty background, etc. And we can also delete this text here. Obviously, it needs some further retouching, but we will do it in the end. Next is Healing Brush. This tool performs frequency separation automatically, matching texture while preserving color and tone. So adjust the size of your brush and just go over all the blemishes and stuff that you don't like. Like this. And you can also sample from areas which have similar lighting angle, identical surface texture, and comparable color temperature. Then we have Content Aware Move tool. This tool doesn't just move pixels, it reconstructs geometry and lighting relationships. We select this very light area and drag it to the shadow, and then press Ctrl D. And the area adjusted its color and almost texture to the moved area. But it is better to avoid cutting through shadows and include slight margin around subject. And the last tool for today is Red Eye tool. And for that I would also download a picture with red eyes. And obviously here it's done on purpose, but there are also some pictures when a person's eye appear red, and if you want to fix that, this instrument will be very useful. True red eye correction requires understanding pupil anatomy, and we're not just removing color, but restoring natural appearance. It is also located here, and Red Eye tool. You can also adjust the brush size and just click on the red area on the eye. And here is how it changes it, also with color and stuff. So this is a very intuitive instrument, and it quickly solves the imperfection on the photo. Now this was a tutorial on these instruments, and here is a strategic tool sequencing. So first you should start with magic replays for major changes, then use Content Aware Move for composition, Patch tool for large area fixes, Healing Brush for texture work, Spot Healing for final touch-ups, Clone tool for precision adjustment. And non-destructive practices are always work on duplicate layers, Use layer masks for reversible edits and save iterative versions. Going to File, Save as PSD. So this was the tutorial on photo retouching. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next videos.